not the one, and she's certainly not for me. She say, bro, you got the hoes, but I guess I cannot agree. She say, she not for me, emphasize she not for me. I feel we go. I'm a big dog, big bear, nigga, I'm a lion. I'm the predator of the prey that is hiding. Oh my, I have found you, nigga. Don't you run from me, little nigga. You are not fast enough. You are not brave enough. You are out of luck. Now it's time for you to die very rough. You have been warned. There is nowhere to...
Hey guys, it's Santa Car here. Today we're going to be reacting. Oh, let me get the glare to my or the camera, whatever. Today we're going to be reacting to When Your Stomach Growls During a Test by Heartstop Lucas, as you can see by the thumbnail of the video. And it's been a while since I've done a reaction. I apologize for that. You know, that stuff didn't happen. It's just I haven't been gotten a chance to record reactions because I have to be quiet setting, room, family members, all that yada yada stuff. And we get back to it now. Reactions. I'm gonna pause on Dragon Ball Legends. I'm gonna pause on Dragon Ball Legends for like a couple of days. Well, maybe not. Because Green Broly Zenkai is coming out tomorrow, or just dropping tonight. And I'm very, very excited. I'm going to try my best to Zenkai 7 him, because he's literally my favorite unit in this game. Besides Ella Frieza, he's my favorite unit in this game. Because of Broly. So, I'm a bear back, but once I'm back, we'll get into it, okay? I'll be back. Okay, we're back, and as you noticed, I have switched rooms, switched scenery. I'm in my room now. Hold on. I'm trying to fix some things to get this stuff out of my way for a minute. Make sure this doesn't fall I'm using. Okay. As I was saying before. Oh god, I'm sorry. I keep moving. There we go. I think we got it. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying before. Z Broly, like the green one, he's getting a Zenkai. And I'm pretty happy about it. Because, again, favorite unit in the game, besides Ella Frieza. I want to try and start doing raps. Like raps of anime characters. Like, for example, Rustage's Broly rap, Hatred. Or, D-Freeze rap. Not D-Freeze. Gibber Jones. This one he did was his Majin Buu rap, which I'm still going to react to. Like his types, like those types of raps of anime characters, or just characters in general. I want to try to start doing that. If you want me to, well, I'm gonna do it first. I'm gonna try to do it first, and then if I like it, I'll do more. In the comments below, let me know who should I make a rap of. And I am making more songs, don't worry. I just have to get new headphones because I don't have like a mic to use right now. And I would always use my headphone mic. I don't have any headphones right now because my dog broke them. But until I get new headphones, then the songs come out. Because I have 2 songs finished for you guys. Well, depending on how this goes, I might have 3 songs ready for y'all, and I might just go sing all of them in order the way I made them and upload them. And yeah. Anyway, without me stalling for like 2 minutes, let's actually get into the video. The main reason why we're here.
Huh? I'm not playing these games.
Oh yeah, before we start the video, a lot of people say I look like him. For some reason I have braces, dreads, glasses. If you think I look like him, which I see the resemblance, let me know in the comments. Let me know, please. Okay, it's been a while since I was seeing one of these.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What kind?
Why do we start the video with my eyes hurt? Hold on. You know, I had just turned this into a try not to laugh. Yeah, you know, screw it. We ain't doing reaction. We're doing a try not to laugh to Heartstop Lucas' new video. Exactly what we're doing. I already failed. I'm trying again though, because I didn't realize what I was gonna do. Okay, let's do this.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you learned that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you? Nothing. I'm fine. I just got a headache. I mean, did you eat breakfast?
Okay.
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance. Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think
sometimes.
Not all the time, sometimes,
but
most
most
of the time.
All right, don't say I didn't know. My eyes! Just close them!
My eyes.
Beautiful
Just
students.
close
Today's
them.
y'all favorite time of the month, test day. We're gonna get started early today. Y'all test is already on y'all desk.
Dude,
When I say
they're
start,
looking,
you may
they're
flip
looking
them
at
over
him
and
bad.
begin.
They're like, yo, look at Gina.
What the hell are you doing? I said when I say start, start. Start. He said start. Oh, we starting it? Mm-hmm. No!
He
What y'all
did say
doing?
start though. He got him there. He did say start.
So no then? Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're gonna have a problem. Obviously, I'm at the mood board today. Do we got that clear?
No.
I said, do we got that clear? Yes, yes, whatever.
I still
All
don't know
then.
how he
You
does
may all
that.
begin.
I still don't know how he does
So
that.
did we start it? I don't think so.
Like two of him in the same
Start. There
frame.
it is.
I
See?
still think
That's
cool.
what
I
we
want to
was
know how to
waiting
do that
for.
so I can do my own more skits, I guess. Hold on. Was that my stomach? Because it felt like it was. I'm not really sure. I know it's the video. But was it my stomach growling too? I think so. I don't know.
That's what we was waiting for.
Let me rewind a little bit.
Then you
I was
may all
talking over
begin.
it.
So did we start it? I don't think so. He didn't say start. Start. There it is. See?
okay.
That's what we was waiting for.
I'm trying not to laugh. No. I'm trying not to laugh. Here we go. Why is he giving that Sharingan look for?
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test and you're being very inconsiderate right now.
He's not even speaking. That's
Yeah, I
his
think I'll take
stomach.
those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina. Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is.
This man's
I know
stomach
y'all know,
is
but y'all
growling.
not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is.
You're gonna allow her just to eat a whole pizza. This
Okay,
man said I
well,
had
must
snacks
stop.
left over,
Okay,
not
well,
an
everybody get back
entire
to work.
meal. Oh, everything be like that though.
Okay, who is it?
Wait,
Steven? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from...
hold on. Why?
Okay, who is it? Steven? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from Kevin. So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say it can't be him. Well, what do you have to say about this, Kevin? To be honest, I think it's Ryan. I think it's Gina, to be
It's
honest
really
with
like that in Among Us.
Yeah, I can agree with
You
that.
just
She's been
blaming-
kinda
you
sus. Very
blaming
sus.
no, and you get voted off for no reason.
you. Well, Gina, what you got to say about that? Well, I guess that says
Gina
it.
doesn't
All in favor
really
to kick out
speak,
Gina.
so-
Yeah. All right then. Now stay calm as I grab your legs.
I really feel like it's my stomach that be growling too.
It wasn't
Like, at
me.
the
Don't
same
you lie to
moment,
me.
it's just-
I knew it was you. Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smoked with me? Oh, I think you are.
Is he arguing with his stomach?
Oh, I'm not playing these games. Okay, so now it's finished. Now y'all can finish y'all test with no distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please. For yourselves.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh no.
You saw his face. He was like, oh no. He knew what was happening.
Oh no.
Hell, I ain't got it all, but how I'm not up in your league. She say, I am not the one that she certainly not for me. She say, bro, you got the host, but I guess I cannot agree. She say, she not for me. Emphasize, she not for me. I feel we go.
Oh my god. You saw his face. He was like, oh no. Whew. Oh man. Oh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more of me. Don't forget to hit the like button also. I will be doing more Genshin Impact videos. I will be doing more reactions. If you guys want me to make like anime raps or raps about characters, let me know who I should do in the description. And not in the description, in the comments. Yeah, if I should do more try not to laughs. I don't know if I'm gonna rate this. I'm gonna put like try not to laugh. Like, is in a car? Wait, no. What should I name this video? And I'll figure out when I get there. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.